Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the January guest what box. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. It is quite a huge box and it is quite long as well. We have the guest what logo here. As always, we have the box very nicely bubble wrapped. There are lots of layers of bubble wrapping here. And this is how the beautiful box looks like. It is yellow or golden in color and it has this golden ribbon and these two complementary products here. They always send some keychains and this time they have sent this pen, a very pretty handcrafted pen with mirrors and these small cute floral pattern stones or whatever you call it, and it has a very cute book like this. So you can keep it in your bag or something and make small notes if you have to note down a number or some address, something like that. Very pretty box and it is quite long as well. Slightly damaged here, but still I can use it to store products. As I'm getting so many boxes, I need more and more storage boxes like these. This is a very big box and definitely a very good box. Reached me in almost good condition. So very happy with the box itself. Looks very pretty. And this is how it looks from inside. We have the logo. And once I open, we have a card here that says New Year, New You. So this is the theme of this month. And we have all these products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first star product in January Guess What box is this 2-in-1 hair beauty set. It is from the brand Nova and this is a straightener cum curler. So it can straighten your hair as well as curl your hair. It has 5 level temperature setting and nano ceramic coating, so it will not be that harmful for your hair. It has all the instructions here and some more here on how you can curl and straighten your hair. Now let's have a look at the product. It comes with an instruction manual as well. And this is how the product looks like. So you can use this round rod as your curler, and there is a button here. If you press it, it opens like this, so you can straighten your hair using this. So that is how you can use it. Here they have all the temperature settings. You can increase and decrease the temperature here. There's the on and off switch. Looks like a good sturdy product. First time I have seen such a nice product in a subscription box. Definitely very impressed. Getting a hair straightener plus curler in a subscription box is definitely very awesome. We all do need one of these for special occasions. If you don't curl or straighten your hair on regular basis, also at least for special occasions, we do need something like this. So definitely a very good inclusion in the box. And then the second star product as per me is this I Love Makeup SFR Color 10 Color Eyeshadow Palette plus 1 color eyeliner pencil. The shade number I have received is 6481. Production date, that is manufacturing date, is 6/2017. Expiry is 6/2022. So a long way to go. They have some details in some other language, but the ingredient list is also mentioned in English. So this is how the packaging is. Very good, sturdy and luxurious looking packaging actually. It is like that geometry box we used to have during school days. It is quite big in size. I don't know if that is much evident on camera, but it is quite big in size. And this is how it opens up. These are all the colors and they are so pretty because these are dark colors. We have a grey and one highlighter shade. After that we have black, olive green, 2 bluish shades. One is slightly damaged, but since it's an eyeshadow I can definitely use it up. Then another grey and a beautiful brown. Then a very nice grease shade and some subtle shades for daytime. This brown and this pink can be used for daytime. Very beautiful, lovely set of colors. They have this eyeliner pencil as well here. So if you're not carrying something with you, you can use this in emergencies or on your trips. And they have a sponge tip applicator as well, but I prefer using brushes anyways. But you can use this to apply in emergencies. I love the shades in this. I'm definitely very happy with this. And the packaging also is very good. So this will be the second star product for me. Now in makeup category, we have also received this Aria Precision Sponge Silica Powder Puff. Here it says high and dry high density sponge. So this is basically a silicone applicator. It is quite soft, very nice to play with. I love playing with these. But this you can use to apply foundation, useful and quite good in blending your foundation. Or you can use this to apply powder as per what is written here. But I have never used a silicone sponge to apply powder, but I will try this. Definitely a good product to blend in your foundation. If you are new to makeup world, you are using foundation newly and you don't have any beauty blender or anything to apply your foundation and you're just using your fingers, this will definitely amp up your game. And then in skincare, we have received 3 masks here. The first one here is very cute. It is having a very cute doll face, and this is the Revitalizing Translucent Pearl Mask Whitening Moisture Mask. Here are the details on how to apply in English, so you can use this according to that. Then the next one here is this ice mask, which is moisturizing and nourishing. Let skin improves wear shining brilliantly. So this is basically a glow mask kind of thing, I feel. And here are the instructions on how to use it. A 28 ml product, and that's how it looked. And finally we have this black mud mask. It says charming skin beauty comes from precise treatment. So this seems like an activated charcoal mask. It says brightening lucent facial mask. So definitely I will be using these masks. I am a mask lover. I use masks and packs very frequently. I love using them, so definitely I'm happy with those. Then moving to lifestyle section, we have another very beautiful and very useful product. This is a clutch, a box clutch like this, and the color I have received is beige color, and the front it has some black color lines, and this golden bow looks very classy and very pretty, something very appropriate for office or college or day-to-day use. And when you open this, it opens like this. And it has the place for everything. You can keep your phone right here, and it has this extra handle so you can attach it outside, so you can keep it like this, and it has this sling if you like to. Otherwise, after your phone you have a place for all your cards here, and there are more card slots right here. Then you can keep them, change, etc. inside this coin pouch, and you have place to keep your cash. So this is a very good day-to-day use clutch, because this will carry your phone as well as cash and cards and everything. I love this clutch. It is a very useful product and it looks very classy and pretty, very beautiful. This is one of my favorite products. Now after that, of course, we have a piece of jewelry like always. So this time we have a very cute and quirky wooden earrings. It has this wooden star and this cute pom-pom, and the color is very pretty. It is in beige and brown color mixed with golden color. You can wear this with any color outfit. This is very quirky and stylish design, I feel. Very trendy and something that you can wear with both ethnic and western wear. I feel this will suit more with skirts and stuff, jeans and all, but definitely you can wear it with a stylish kurti or suit. And then we have a mask here. So this is how it looks like, a very unique product. I've never received something like this in any box, and this is very funky and quirky. You can use it during festivals, or if you go out on some theme parties or some comic-cons, etc., something like that, you can definitely use this up. I'm probably gonna wear this right away and see how it looks on me. A very quirky product, a unique product. I did like receiving this. And finally, our gifted box is incomplete without some eatables. So this time we have received these Act 2 popcorns in golden sizzle and classic salted variants. These are worth 10 rupees each, and they have 30 plus 10 grams of product, that is 40 grams of product. I love eating this. I do have these in stock at all times at my home. Popcorn is not as bad as chips, so if you are someone who loves eating snacks, so you should better prefer popcorns. So that was a quick unboxing of my January gifted box. Obviously it is one of the boxes that could not be missed. Let's have a look at the info card. This year try something new. Nova Hair Straightener and Curler is for just 425 rupees. Silicone makeup sponges for 149. Wooden earrings for 199. Eyeshadow palette for 499. Ice face sheet mask is 129. Charcoal peel off mask. Okay, this one here is a charcoal peel off mask. That is for 199. Hydrating face sheet mask is for 129. Masquerade party mask is for just 99 rupees. And hand clutch is for 399. Complimentary items are the book and pen keychains that we had over the box, and the treats that will be the popcorns. So we have received 9 full-size products worth a total of around 2200-2300 rupees plus 2 complimentary items. All products are very reasonably priced and still we have a lot of savings. This box is priced at just rupees 14.99, which I feel is definitely worth for all these products. The star products in the box are this hair straightener or curler, this box clutch and this eyeshadow palette. As per me, those were my favorites. Again, I am very happy with the box and the overall curation. If you guys like this box and would like to order it for yourselves, then all details are mentioned in the description box below along with the website link. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.